Hi guys, Mike is here, Boomerangme founder, and today in this video I will show you how to use agency account in your Boomerangme dashboard. So first of all, it will be the walkthrough around the agency account and possibilities how to resell Boomerangme service to your client using your brand and your pricing. So first of all, a couple of words about the reseller option inside the Boomerangme plan. You can understand what are included in your agency plan in our pricing section on our website at address boomerangme.biz/pricing. And you see that agency plan looks like really similar to the business one. You can see the similar count of promotions available with your main client's account, geolocation, manager seats, API available, custom fields, and the difference is here. First of all, with the agency plan, the white label option is included in this plan, custom domain included, reseller option included, sub-accounts are included, and you need to know that with the agency plan you have access to free of sub-accounts for all time. It means you can create free sub-accounts for free without any fees and charges from the Boomerangme side, and you can resell these free sub-accounts to your clients on your rules by your pricing and with your currencies. So it means we are working on win-to-win strategy, and you can cover your subscription payment by free sub-accounts reselling to your customers. And after you cover your subscription payment, you can earn additional money, and right after this we can charge additional revenue by $15 per one created sub-accounts, start from the 4th. And the next one, you can connect your own payment gateway like Stripe Connect and PayPal to your account, and cost per month for agency account, it will cost you $129 if you paid annual plan, and if you paid monthly it will cost you $259 per 1 month. Free trial for 40 days, obviously included in all plans. So let's check how it looks like from the dashboard here. First of all, after you sign up on your free trial plan on agency, you get access to the agency section in the left side menu here. And here is the reseller dashboard, where you can find your traction by your reselling, by your sub-accounts, how many payments you have, how many active sub-accounts you have, and the total sub-accounts and transactional amount. It means transactions, it's your service renewals. The next one, I will show you how to create sub-accounts and how to make additional seats to your customers. So first of all, your sub-accounts, place it here in sub-account section in the left side menu. Here you can see how many sub-accounts created in total, how many cards transaction was been provided by the created cards, how many reviews provided their customers, and the average feedback rating here. Your sub-account limit you can understand here. In my case, it's 5 sub-accounts available in my reseller account, and right now I have a free 1 seat for creating new one. Here is the creating sub account, and we can open each sub account, understand the company name, selected plan, and paid status. Right now this sub account is unpaid. Sub account ID, country registered, registration date, date of renewal, how many card issued, how many transactions collected, and the amount transaction we can understand, how many integrations created, and what's the segment of this client. API token, referral link, personal information, and list of transactions. But in the agency account, it's not a cards transaction, it's payment transactions and renewals. So, for example, in the difference we can see the paid sub-account here on Curiosity plan with ID, registration date, and we understand the next date of the renewal, personal information, and the last transactions. as well. Next page, it's a payment page, and here we can see how many payments was provided by your clients. And here is the recent transactions, upcoming renewals, and unsuccessful payments. And you can understand what's the problem was with the payment with each customer, and you can connect with each customer and ask them what the problem, and ask them to change the payment card, for example, for making renewal again. So the next page, it's a plan sections where you can change your plan's name and currencies and pricing as well. For example, in my case, first plan, that name is Start. We are charging in USD, and here is the cost for plan if you paid annual one, quarterly, and if we paid monthly. And in the top you can see the preview of your pricing, like it will be published in the settings section in the plans in your sub-account accounts. So as I said before, you can choose one from 100 plus currencies around the world, and all payments will be provided by two main payment gateways that we provide you into the service. You can connect Stripe or PayPal to your dashboard. You can find additional video tutorials how to connect with the Stripe or PayPal in our knowledge base. And this is all I want to show you around the reseller dashboard, and more detailed videos you can find by each section in our knowledge base. Thanks for watching this video.